Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've simply got here is the Kranzle 1152Tst. This comes with the turbo nozzle and the VARIO nozzle as standard. What we've simply done is we made this all quick release with a snow foam bottle, a genuine PA snow foam bottle. They have redesigned these ends here, which is even better, make it stronger, so this plastic part at the end has been bulked up. 10 litres a minute, 130 bar. You've got the built-in hose reel on this model, 22mm screw fitting that goes onto the trigger itself. That can be changed to quick release if wanted to. This is the position when you finish off using the machine. So when you store it, you stand it up. When you come to use it, what we simply do is the machine itself is laid down. The hose then pulls off the reel quickly and easily, no problem. Pressure regulator valve. You've also got the facility there to take soap in at low pressure, so when you lower the pressure on the VARIO nozzle, it will pull soap through as well. So you've got the option of soap, TFR in, and also foaming with the snow foam bottle. Pressure gauge, protector. We've then got the oil cap on the top. Very easy and very straightforward to change the oil. What you simply got there is the bung at the bottom. Very, very easy and simple. Unlike other machines in the marketplace, when you're using this machine, like I say, this is laid down to use, so the pump and the motor is all in line, not above and below each other like most machines in the marketplace, not naming any names. Like I say, this is laid down so the oil chamber is completely submerged in oil, so the pistons are not being splashed or submerged. Fantastic machine, Kranzle, especially the 1152Tst, and like I say, this is with built-in hose reel. Easy to manoeuvre about with the wheels and the idea that they use. Switch on the top. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.